What's up, everyone? It's Marcus here, and today we're going to dive into the land of crypto security with the Nano Ledger S Plus. This piece of hardware is designed to keep your crypto digital assets safe. We're going to unbox it today, and we're going to talk about the features, see if it really lives up to the hype that it has. All right, so let's get into it. The Ledger Nano S Plus comes with a sleek, minimalistic box. As you can see, we're unboxing it right now, so we're gonna see how you find this little guy inside of it. So inside the box comes the Ledger Nano S Plus. It comes with a USB-C to USB-A cable, and also a recovery sheet for writing down all your seed phrases. With that being said, also comes with some Ledger stickers and the Ledger manual to show you how to work the device itself. Now, my first impressions of this little guy, I'm actually pretty impressed. It's compact, lightweight, has a built-in screen on it, only has 2 buttons, so it keeps it pretty simple. It feels pretty solid in my hand. I got the amethyst purple color, and from what I heard, it has a bigger screen than the previous Nano S. So with that being said, I'm guessing with the bigger screen, it makes navigation a lot easier to see what digital assets you are keeping inside, whether it's NFTs, cryptocurrencies, tokens. This little thing holds a lot. And as someone that is taking investing pretty seriously, I would look into this as well. Now, I understand using this device, you have to use the Ledger Live app. And with that app, you use it to navigate through whatever cryptocurrencies you are keeping within your device. Now, take note, this is a cold storage device. It's not a hot storage device like other applications like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. This is solely, in my opinion, I'm not giving any financial advice, but in my opinion, this is solely for keeping long-term cryptocurrencies at bay. So I would say Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, basically those type of cryptocurrencies, not really meme coins, not things that are really high and volatile. Once you have the application installed, take this secret recovery sheet. Take one of the sheets and start writing down your seed phrase within it. With the seed phrase, that's basically at your own security. Now, you'll get a 24-word recovery phrase, and this is your backup key in case you ever lose your device. Your recovery phrase is how you will recover these things, and it's not something I would leave anywhere where you could possibly get it hacked, taken from you online, and I would keep it offline, somewhere secure, somewhere safe. With this secret recovery sheet, I would write down your 24-word recovery phrase. With your 24-word recovery phrase, this is your backup key. Your backup key in case you ever lose this device. If you ever lose this device, you'll have those 24-word phrases, safe and secure, not online, where you can recover your digital assets, whatever digital assets you have. Now, I know there are other crypto hardware wallets that are far more expensive. This is on the cheaper end. This crypto hardware wallet is only ranging around $60 to $70. I've even seen it at $80. But this type of wallet, safe and secure. So why would you get a hardware wallet instead of keeping your digital assets on the exchange? My honest advice, it's simple. Security. The Ledger Nano S Plus keeps your private keys offline, protecting you from hacks and phishing attacks. Many of the key features, it has a secure element chip. It's the same tech that's found in passports, credit cards, RFID wallets. It's what keeps our private information secure. It has a bigger storage. Compared to the old Nano S, you can install about 100 apps on this thing. Let's be real, that's a lot. NFT management. You can safely store and view the NFTs you have on here. Me personally, I'm sticking with cryptocurrency. But if any of you guys dabble in NFTs, tokens, management, USB-C connection. Pretty much everything has gone into USB-C connection. Even iPhone, let's be real. Finally, a modern connection that's being used universally. One thing I love about this thing, improved interface. With the 2-button navigation, nice and simple. With the larger screen, it makes transactions simpler and easier to navigate. What I love about this thing, it's affordable. It's affordable for the beginners, for the starters, the startups, etc. It supports thousands of coins and NFTs, and it's highly secure offline cold storage. Cold storage. Some of the cons I'm going to name, there's no Bluetooth, there is no Bluetooth connection. You can't store as many apps as the Nano X. And the setup can be intimidating for beginners. If you have any problems with that, honestly, just watch a tutorial on that. So, final verdict, is the Ledger Nano X Plus worth it to you? If you're serious about crypto security and want a affordable way to store many of your crypto assets or your digital assets on here, I would definitely say absolutely. It's a solid upgrade from the Nano S, and for that price, it's one of the best hardware wallets out there. All right, let's wrap it up for today. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe, share it with your friends, share it with anybody else that you find is in tech, share it with anybody that's into investing, and with your family and friends. Let them know a safe way to secure any of their assets. And I think they're really gonna find that interesting. Let me know in the comments, do you use hardware wallets? And that's a wrap. I'll catch you on the next one.